Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. I'm stepping in front of the camera once again. Excuse my beard, I'm off to the Kruger next week, so I'm growing a bit of a bush beard for when I'm in the park. So today I'm making for you a nice tomato sauce with mushrooms that goes well with either spaghetti or something like a penne pasta. Today we're going to use spaghetti. So let me take you through the ingredients and then we'll get cracking on the actual cooking itself as well. So I've got about 200 grams of mixed brown and button mushrooms. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce and between 6 to 8 fresh tomatoes that we've grated out. Salt and pepper that we're going to use along the cooking process to flavor the sauce. And then some mixed herbs, some paprika, olive oil for the cooking. Then I've got 1 onion that's been grated, about 6 cloves of garlic that I've sliced finely, 2 green chillies from my mom's garden, and then 2 leeks that I've cut into these round discs, so lengthwise. They're medium leeks. You get baby leeks, so if you got baby leeks, use more. If you've got bigger leeks, then maybe you can use just 1 leek. And then when we finish off the recipe, we've just got some hard cheese that will go over the top, and then some basil that will tear over the top to flavor the pasta. Okay guys, so I'm heating up my pan, and what we're going to do is just fry out the mushrooms first, just by themselves, and then in the same pan after that we're going to cook the sauce. So it's just in with about a teaspoon of olive oil, and then in with the mushrooms, and then we're going to brown those out, and then we take them out, and then we're going to cook the sauce. Okay guys, so my mushrooms are browned out. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, give that a stir, and then take them out and leave them back in the bowl that we were using for them. Okay, then the pot's got some oil, but I'm just going to add another glug of olive oil. And into that will go my onions that we grated earlier. And my leeks. So why we don't put the garlic in at the same time is because garlic will tend to burn. So you want to actually soften out your onions and your leeks, and then you put in your garlic and your chilies into the pot as well. Okay guys, so the onions and leeks have softened out. I'm just going to add in my half a teaspoon of mixed dry herbs, and then we're going to add in some paprika, just to give that smoky sweet paprika taste. And then we're going to add in the chilies and the garlic. give that a quick fry. Let the garlic fry for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and then we'll add in our tomatoes. Okay, so the garlic has had a quick fry. I'm just going to add in my tomatoes. Give that a quick stir. And then I'm going to add in my tomato sauce as well. You can also use tomato puree instead of the tomato sauce. So that's 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Then we're going to give this a stir quickly, and then we're going to add in some pepper, a generous grind of black pepper, and then we're going to salt the sauce as well. And then we'll taste the sauce at the end as well, just to check the salt again. But we're going to leave this to simmer away for about 20 minutes. Then I'll add in just a cup of water to loosen it up again, and then leave it for another 15 minutes. And then we'll come back and we'll show you how the sauce is progressing through that time. Okay guys, my sauce is coming along nicely. I just added a 1/4 cup of water about 15 minutes in. What I'm going to do now is add the mushrooms back into the sauce so they can cook for a little while with the sauce. And then my water is just about boiling for my spaghetti. I'm going to use just about half of the bag. So it's 500 grams, and half will be 250 grams, and that will feed between 3 to 4 people. So I'll let that get cooked now, and then it'll be about 15 minutes and we'll be ready for the sauce and plating. Okay guys, so my sauce is almost finished. So the final touch is to just tear in some basil, and then we can switch it off. Okay guys, so there's my sauce and the pasta done. So just to finish up, we're gonna tear some fresh basil over the top. Gives it a nice smell. Then we're gonna grate a generous helping of our hard Italian cheese onto it. So this is not Parmesan, it's called hard Italian cheese. I guess the name Parmesan is copyrighted. And then we're just going to finish it off with a little dash of olive oil on the top. And there you go, your pasta with tomato sauce ready for supper.